I'm not interested in living my life the way someone else wants me to live it. I'm going to live it the best way I believe. And at the moment I believe that is a combination of the mātauranga and the stories and the practices of our tipuna, and bringing them forward into the future with the advancements of today. Why would I give up the privilege of being able to help raise my children? So for me and for our whānau, as soon as we had children, we straight away decided these are the things that we are going to do. You aren't going to go and work 5 days a week and spend 2 days with your kids. One of the reasons we've been able to pull this off as a whānau is that my family all of our families, but my whānau support us. My mother has always supported us. They understand the struggles and the things of colonisation, so they know they have a strong understanding of who we want to be and where we want to go. And I constantly say I'm just a recipient of intergenerational wealth. But not necessarily wealth in terms of money, but wealth in terms of love, in terms of respect, in terms of support, tautoko, unflinching. You want to go do this, son, then you go do it, just do it wholeheartedly. And we always have a home to come to, and to be looked after. My koro has our whare here, my mother has her whare, my grandparents have the whare. And I like to think and I like to say, there is no way that anyone in my family would ever, there's no chance that my children would ever be left without food, water, shelter, or aroha. There's no way. So when you have that support, when you have that in your backing, if everything fails, if you are a complete failure and everything turns down, I'm always going to have a hot kai at my grandmother's, I'm always going to have a beautiful bed at my mum's, I'm always going to have kōrero here at my grandfather's. So from that support I've been able to just flourish and try and make mistakes, learn from them, carry on.